Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you the 2 new patterns in the March issue of Seamwork, and I'm going to help you pick out the best fabric to sew them. The theme for this month's issue is beginnings. We were all beginners once, so we designed these patterns to be both approachable for beginners and really fun for those who might have more sewing experience. Let's check them out. First, I'm going to show you the Rhett jacket. This jacket is workwear inspired. Haley's been wanting to add a chore coat to the Seamwork catalog for a really long time. So when she designed Rhett, she wanted someone who might be new to sewing to feel like they could tackle a big project like a jacket. Our new and improved instructions will take you through each step, and as long as you tackle this jacket step by step, you'll be totally fine at any skill level. Rhett has a relaxed, boxy fit. It features a unique collar design with a little bit of shaping here. It has buttons that run along a faced center front. It hits below the high hip. You can check out the fitting guide on the website or in the pattern instructions if you want to check out how this jacket is meant to fit and get a sense for the intended ease. This jacket has some super fun details, and if you make it in denim, it's perfect to show off some top stitching. As you can see here, we picked a nice bright top stitching thread. The sleeves have a seam, they're paneled, which makes them really easy to sew, and it adds a fun detail if you do want to practice that top stitching. The best thing about this jacket is that there are 3 pockets that you can kind of mix and match. There's these oversized rectangular patch pockets, a shaped slant pocket, and then the best thing of all is that we have a secret pocket here for the inside. I'm curious to know what you guys would like to keep in this secret pocket. You can let me know as long as it's appropriate. One more detail that I would like to mention is the seam at the center back. Not only is this cool for top stitching, but having a seam at the center back can make alterations a little bit easier because you can take it in and out there if you need to. Now I'm going to talk a little bit about the kind of fabric that you're going to want to choose for the Rhett jacket. Your skill level might affect the fabric that you choose. If you're a beginner, the good news is that you can choose a woven fabric that is very easy to work with. A good example would be a medium weight denim, like this that we chose to make the sample here. A medium weight denim will be something that's thick enough so that it's really easy to sew, but it's not too thick so your machine won't run into any trouble as you're sewing over multiple layers. About 10 ounces is a good weight to consider for denim if you're a beginner. For denim, the higher the ounces, the thicker the denim. If you're more advanced or you just want to get a little experimental with your fabric, you can actually head into the home dec department of your favorite fabric store and pick out an alternative to garment fabric. You can often find some fun printed canvas or even a linen blend in the home dec department, but there's no reason why you can't use this for a garment such as the Rhett jacket. Or Robin wrote an article for waxing canvas in the March issue, and you can follow her tutorial to experiment with creating your own textiles, which is really fun. Some other choices for this jacket would include duck cloth. Duck is just a type of canvas that has a little bit of a tighter weave than regular canvas. A nice twill would be really nice for this jacket, or you could have fun with corduroy. If you do choose corduroy, just be sure to watch the nap. You want to make sure that the corduroy is facing in the same direction when you sew all the different pieces, especially on the sleeve here because it's got that paneled construction. So like I said, for this sample, we used a 10-ounce cotton denim in this really nice indigo color. It's a great color that'll go with anything you might want to wear. We also picked some bright top stitching thread to show off all the details and to give it that really classic chore coat look. There are 3 pattern hacks for the Rhett jacket in the March issue, and I have an example of one of them here. This pattern hack is one of my favorites. It adds these really fun pockets to the jacket. I think that we're calling them hidden pockets, and they have this cute little bar tack here that adds a nice little design detail. So it's a really simple way to change up the look of this pattern. We sewed up this sample in a Big Sur canvas. It's from Stone Mountain & Daughter Fabrics. The colorway is called Forest. If you haven't shopped at Stone Mountain & Daughter before, you should probably check out their shop as soon as you're done watching this video. And if you are a Seamwork member, if you have the premium or the unlimited plan, you do get a little bit of a discount code, so don't miss that when you're shopping. Now I'm going to show you the next pattern, which is the Lito Dress. This dress actually pairs super well with the Rhett jacket, so you can make an entire outfit with this month's issue. When Haley designed this dress, she was inspired by a retro ringer tee. It has these really fun bands at the neckline and the sleeves that are perfect for showing off some matching or contrasting ribbing and give it that nice retro feel. The Lito dress has a relaxed fit. It's a bit more fitted at the bust and the shoulders, but there is ease in the waist and the hips. This dress looks super cute if you wear it with a pair of classic Chucks. You can check out this look in the magazine. Crystal is our model this month, and she's wearing Chucks with this outfit. You might recognize Crystal. We've been working with her a bunch over the years, and she's an absolute blast to work with. When you're picking out fabric for the Lito dress, look for something with good recovery. Recovery means that the fabric bounces back to its shape after you stretch it out. When you have good recovery, your dress won't be at risk of bagging or stretching as you wear it. One tip for this pattern is to pick a ribbing that is about the same weight as your main fabric. If you choose a ribbing that's really heavy with a lightweight fabric, it can actually warp your neckline when you attach this neckband. For this sample, we used an organic white cotton spandex jersey. It's pretty stable and it has really good recovery. The contrasting red ribbing is a bamboo cotton blend. It's in a colorway called Cayenne, and both of these fabrics are also from Stone Mountain & Daughter. We really love this sample. Stripes are a great choice for the Lito dress. So for this striped sample, we used, it's called a retro cotton spandex jersey, and then that same bamboo cotton rib knit, and these are both also from Stone Mountain & Daughter fabrics. We also have a bonus dress exclusively for members. You can download this bonus dress for free. The bonus pattern features a scoop neckline here, and it lengthens the dress and adds a little split hem here at the bottom. You'll notice that it also omits that the neckband and the armbands. It just finishes them with regular hem here at the arms and a regular neckband here, not with ribbing. You'll notice that this sample has a bit more drape than the other two dresses. It's a bamboo jersey from fabric.com, so it's a lot more lightweight and bouncy than the other two dresses. This works well for the bonus version of this dress. Since it doesn't have the bands, this lightweight fabric is nice because if we had the bands with the ribbing, it might pull down on your dress a little bit. So if you sew the bonus version, you can pick something a little bit more lightweight. So there you have it. In this month's issue, we have 2 dress patterns, a really fun jacket that includes 3 pattern hats. If you have any questions about these patterns, or if you have any questions about the content in this month's issue, just comment below and I'll get back to you. Otherwise, we'll see you next month when we talk about the fabrics that we choose for the April patterns. Happy sewing!